Open Adobe Illustrator. Create new. Rename as Dotted Spiral Vortex. Keep other setting as follow. Take Ellipse tool. Draw a symmetrical circle. To do that, I use Shift key and Alt key. Together, I'm going to give fill color as blue. Make sure to keep stroke color as none. Now make a copy of circle. To do that, press and hold Alt key and drag the circle using mouse pointer. Reduce the size of circle and give new color to this circle. Select both circles together. Go to Object, then Blend. Now Blend Options. Set Blend Option settings as follow. Again go to Object, then Blend. Select Make. Keep this shape bottom of the artboard. Draw a circle and make no fill color. Using Direct Selection tool, select left and bottom points and press Delete. Now you can have this shape. Select all shapes toga hair. Go to Object, then Blend. Replace spine. To change the direction of circles, go to Object, then Blend. Select Reverse Spine. Draw a rectangle using Rectangle tool. Make sure this rectangle touches the center points of circles, as you see here. Select both shapes. Press and hold Alt key. Rotate the shape as you see here. Make rectangle corners, touch each corners correctly. You can press Ctrl+Y. Now this view helps us to make arrangement correctly, as you see here. Once you're done, press Ctrl+Y again. Select rectangles, and press Delete. Select both shapes. Rotate the copy, as you see here. Select all shapes and press Ctrl+G. To group them. Go to Effects, Distort and Transform. Change, Transform Effects, as you see here. See, this is our final output of Dotted Spiral Vortex. Thanks for watching.